this. He's so cute. Little guy. Are those his nose holes?
Yep.
Wow. He's cute. You're holding it the wrong way.
Go.
Yeah, you should hold them flat.
Well,
Maybe he'll hop to us. He likes Daddy. Hi, little. Oh, hi. Oh, that scared me a little bit.
wish Grandma was here.
So cute. Someone are you taking a picture?
I'm taking video.
Holy moly. Grandma, you'd love this. I guess these guys were up for a
I
snack.
love these. This is so fun.
So nice and shady.
Look how cute they are.
Be the first, start a fashion. Mom's got two. She's double fisting.
I didn't do it on purpose, it just happened. You guys are so cute.
Smile. That's all right. No, it's a video. Don't worry. We'll edit you out. Green screen. Okay, you're gonna hold yourself that way. Don't poop.
You need something on the GoPro that will hold a popsicle stick.
Oh, look at the pool.
Yep, I told you it was right behind the pool.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I mean, hello. Hey, you said hello. You know,
Sarah's got two now.
Oh, because I said macaws to the.
Oh yeah.
I thought
No.
we were feeding macaws.
Yeah.
this had a
Careful, there's one on your foot.
Oh, hello.
They're getting the seeds that they knocked down.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a pretty one.
Landed on my head. I want to buy more sticks.
We can come back tomorrow.
Yeah, but they said we could buy, like, you could buy more sticks.
Right now.
Yeah, because people were just walking in by us.
But they might be like, I had all I wanted the first time around.
Nah, I think they like this.
I think they like you guys. This little guy, he's so cute.
What was the name of the one in Maui?
Oh, the pumpkin, right?
Pumpkin.
I don't know. They're so cute. I don't want one now. Now I want a bird. They're so sweet.
They are. They got a
Look
lot
at
of
the blue
personality
one.
too. Yeah, they're smart.
But they're like gentle. I thought I was gonna get like stabbed in the eye by them.
Only
That's the other attraction.
that's the stabbed in the eye attraction.
That's right. Well, because the last time I was with birds, they like flew into my head. Look, he's on my finger again.
Yeah, maybe they like your nails.
Oh, he was on my hand fully.
Yeah, I saw that. Cutie patootie.
I want to grab him.
I just want to pet him.
Don't do that. I'm not going to, but I want to.
This is better than a cat cafe.
No way.
Honestly,
Controversial
yes,
take.
Because cats don't come up to you.
I don't know. I do both, but I guess cats and birds probably wouldn't be a good combo.
Hey, don't steal him from me. I like this bird. He's gripping my thumb real hard with his claw. They're so cute. Oh, blue one. I like that one. But I like this one.
Oh, watch your foot, Meg.
I have more seeds, guys. Come on.
Yeah, but they ate all the good ones.
Yeah, they're leaving this one.
They left them for a
Yeah,
reason.
see, there's apparently stuff that's unpopular. Look, you got one. He's like, no thanks.
Anybody to come down?
Oh yeah,
We got quite a few.
I think they've only got the unpopular stuff left.
Oh, he was on my
The
foot.
veggies.
Yeah, it's,
The veggies
they ate all the French fries.
I like this one.
Oh yeah.
Give it to some smile with the bird. Let's see if I can get the blue one.
Cute little budgie.
So cute. I never understood why people like got birds as pets.
The big ones have even more personality.
Oh, but
Here,
I like
you want
these
these?
little ones.
See if you can entice somebody.